Alright. I've decided it's time I share my technique with the world. Because this putting beer away one can at a time is for the birds. So you need two things. A giant box of beer, which we have, and a spot in the fridge. And step one, open up this side. Tabs out. Step two, carefully lift the entire box. Put it in place. Be gentle. And while balancing it, kind of half in, half out, open this side. Then, while placing pressure on the center, slide all the beers out. Ah, flawless. Then of course, you can't forget the last part.